Hello traders, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to guide you through the process of withdrawing funds from your Vantage account using the Vantage app. So let's get started. First, open the Vantage app on your smartphone and log into your account. Then tap on your profile icon, then select fund and tap on withdraw. Now let's initiate the withdrawal. Choose the account you wish to withdraw from, enter the amount you want to withdraw, select your preferred withdrawal method, provide the required information, tap done to submit your withdrawal request. Before making a withdrawal, keep the following in mind. Ensure your proof of identity and proof of address documents are verified. Confirm that you have enough available funds in your account. The minimum withdrawal amount is $30 to 30,000 JPY. If your balance is below this, you should withdraw the full remaining amount. Available methods may vary based on your region. To track your withdrawal status, tap on your profile icon, select funds, view your transaction history to monitor the status of your withdrawal. And that's how you can withdraw funds from your Vantage account using the app. If you have any question or encounter issues, don't hesitate to contact Vantage support. Thanks for watching and happy trading.